Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to debadge your Toyota Tacoma. First, gather your tools, a heat gun, fishing line, and an adhesive remover. Next, clean the area around the badges with soap and water to remove dirt. Then, gently heat the badge with the heat gun for about 30 seconds to soften the adhesive. This preparation ensures a smoother removal process and protects your paint. Now, with the adhesive softened, take your fishing line and slide it behind the badge. Use a sawing motion to cut through the adhesive, working from one side to the other. Be gentle and avoid pressing the line into the paint. Once the adhesive is mostly cut, you can carefully peel the badge away from the vehicle. This step requires patience to prevent any damage. After removing the badges, you'll likely have some adhesive residue left on the paint. Apply a specialized automotive adhesive remover to a clean microfiber cloth. Gently rub the residue in small circular motions. Do not scrub aggressively, as this can damage your clear coat. Repeat this process until all the sticky remnants are completely gone, leaving a smooth surface. Finally, once the area is clean, it's time for the finishing touches. Use a good quality automotive polish to buff the area, removing any minor imperfections and restoring the paint's shine. Follow this with a protective wax or sealant to guard against the elements. This ensures your debadged Tacoma looks fantastic and stays protected for a long time. Remember to check the description below for a link to a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money, as well as other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.